So am I audible? So am I audible to you?
So,
Okay, so fine. So we were dealing with one problem. So I have given you one problem to solve. So in this problem I have given length was 1 second. I have written some. Hello, hello. हाँ ठीक है, हम आ रहे हैं, अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं, हमको बोल दीजिएगा 11 से 12 क्लास है। Hello. So am I audible? So I've given one problem there. So in that length was given to us. So length was given as 3 and G1 was given as 101. G2 was given as 110 and in that G3 was given as 111. So have you solved it? So have you verified it? The same thing is coming from the uh, both methods. So Komal has solved it. So one. So I have to solve it to get the answer because I don't have the solution now. So only Komal has solved the rest. So let me solve it for you if you have not solved it. So first of all, what we will do, we will find the impulse response for 1. So Komal, we will verify it. So either it is correct or so I will see. At least you have tried. So I will write here M1, M2, M3, and from here I will get C1 equal to M1 XOR M3. What will be your C2? C2 will be M1 XOR M2, and C3 will be uh, 3 1 is there, so M1 XOR M2 XOR M3. So this is our M1 M2 M3. In the reset condition we put 0, so that will be 0 0 0. So this will be all. So when you will the first we have to put 1 here, so I'll put here 1, so that will be 0 and 0. So what I will get here, see, what M1 XOR M3, it means 1 M2 M1 XOR M2, that will be 1, and M1 M2 M3, so that will be also 1. So now this 1 will be shifted, so 1 will come here, so we'll put here 0. So what we will get here, so it will be 0, then it will be 1, then it will be 1. Now in the next step, 0 0 1. So this is the part, so we will get here 1 0 1. So this is the code word for response of 1. So Komal, is it correct? So please verify it also. You have done the same thing. Are we on the same line?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now
Yes,
we,
sir.
yeah. So if so, you can also check it. So I don't have the solution for it. So now we will get impulse response for 0. So if we will get the impulse response for 0, so we will get, I think, 60 60. So directly we can write here. So 60 we will get. So now we will apply the shifting formula. So we have the
It's 910.
okay 9 0, yeah, sure. One means 0 will be there, 0 0 0 0 0 9 times 0 will be there. So after that we will apply the shifting formula. So for shifting formula, what we have to do, we have to see the received code word, that is 1 0 1 1. So for one, what we have got, for one we have got, we have to see, for one we have got 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. So for one we have got this. So we'll write for one we have got 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. So and for 0 we will shift 2 bit. So we will put here 0 0 0 0 0 0. So then again for 1 we will write the same
Sir,
bit. हाँ, tell.
वन के लिए हम हमारा जो इम्पल्स रिस्पॉन्स वो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे ना, 111 0
Okay,
111
okay.
0 1,
Yeah, yeah,
और
yeah.
शिफ्टिंग जो है हम 3 बिट से करेंगे ना.
Okay, sure. Yeah, the response was 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 101. I think this was. Now for 0, so generator matrix, 3 generator matrix was there, G1, G2, G3. So we'll shift by 3 bits. It's telling correct. So I'll write here 0 0 0 0 0 0 again 3 0. So is it fine, Koman? So now is it fine?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
again
sir.
we will write this for 1. We will again this we will write by shifting 3 bit, and again we will write by shifting 3 bit. So final answer, if you can see, so this one will be, this one will come here. So 1, again this one will come here. So we'll find 1. This one will come here, we'll find 1. Now this 0 and 0 will get here 0. 1 0 will get here 1. Then 1 0. So 0 1. Then again, if you can apply, so by applying, what is the final answer, Komal? Are you getting like this 1 1 0 1, then 0 1 0, then 1 0 1, then 0 1 0 0, then here it will be 1. So it will be 1 0, then again 0 1 1 0. So here 1, now 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the final answer. One less one will be there. Last part one is there, so I put, this is the final answer: 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is the answer you are getting. So I'll write in a new page. So if any doubt is there, Komal, is this the answer you are getting for this?
Sir?
Triple 1 0 1, yes, 1 1 0 1, last 1 0 1 from here. Ah,
Yes, sir.
so this is the Kirana has also got the same answer, I think. So now we will solve it for transfer method. So we will do it for transfer method. I'm getting red paint. So m was given to us 1 0 1 1. So when we will write in the polynomial terms, it will be 1 plus x square plus x cube. G1 we will write in the polynomial terms. It was 1 0 1. So we can write here 1 plus x square. For G2 we will write here, that is 1 1 0, which will be 1 plus x. For G3, if you can write, that is 1 1 1. So which will be 1 plus x square. So now we can find n. So n will be equal to n L plus m minus 1. So 3 was there, janitor matrix. L was 3. M message was 4 bit, 4 minus 1. So when you will solve it, you will get 18 bit. So you can count that the same was 18 bit. So we'll proceed here. Let me add. Okay, so this is, we have to get 18-bit code here. So now what we will do, we will find C1x. So C1 will be 1 plus x square plus x cube into 1 plus x square. So when you will multiply, you will get here 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4, then x to the power 3 plus x to the power 5. So so x to the power 2 will come to twice, I think. One more x to the power 2 will be there. So when it will become 0. So I write here 1 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. When I will convert it, that will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the for C1. So if I'll do any wrong, so please correct me. Because so this is C1, then C2 we will calculate. C2 we will do 1 plus x square plus x cube into 1 plus x. So when you will do it, you will get 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. Rest will be same. So we will get here 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is C2. C3 we will do, so for C3, 1 plus x square plus x cube into 1 plus x square. So 1, 1, you can write here directly 1 plus x to the power 1. This will come twice. So x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2. Then this, so what we can write, x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. Then x to the power 3. Then again x to the power 3 into x to the power 4. Then x to the power 5. So this will cancel, this will cancel, x to x power 2, 2 will cancel. So we will get here 1 plus x to the power 5. So when you will write in the code terms, this will be 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 again 0 1. So this is C2, this is C3. So I'll write in a new page. So when you will multiply it, you have to multiply all this C1, C2, C3. So if you have, so C2 we were getting 1 1 1 0 1. C3 was 11001, and we have to see what C1 we have got. So C1 we have got 100,111. So C1 we have got 100,111. 100,111. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. So 18 bit you will get. So I'll write here. This will be 1, 1, 1. So you'll find here 1, 1, 1. Then 0. Again it will be 1, 1. So this will be 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 1, 0. Then 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So this it is of 18 bit. So is this the answer? Kiran, I'll see some of you have given the answer. Komal has
Yes,
got,
sir.
yeah. So this is the answer. So see, it is very simple. If you have tried it, you can easily solve. So it was of 3 bit. So there is no issue. What I have told you, to just apply what we have learned. So nothing is uh, difficult here. So one more problem you can do here. Actually, I'm at home, so from college, principal is calling me, so I have to leave early. So one more problem I will give. So the problem is like this. So those who have not tried, please try, because one problem will be there in your RTO paper also based on this. So the problem is like this. Consider a cyclic encoder, convolution encoder. So we're dealing with the convolution code. So length, always you will find length 3, and G1 was given as 101, G2 was given as 011, and find the code vector for the message. So message stream is given to you 11010. So verify it by 11010. Okay, so verify it by time domain and transfer domain. So please solve it, those who have not solved, because if you will not solve now, in after some time you will find it very difficult. You will find it tough to deal. So please solve it and please tell me the answer quickly, because it is very simple. Two generator matrix is given to you. 2 bit shifting will be done. So please solve it and tell me what is the answer you are getting for this. So you have 2 or 3 minutes of time. I think 2 minutes for time domain and 2 minutes for transfer domain. So 4 minutes of time you have. So try to solve it and verify it. From time domain, what is the code you are getting? Aishwarya is there. Aishwarya, are you getting it? You are very quiet now. Aishwarya,
Yes, sir.
so you have not solved the previous problem which I have given.
Sir, I have almost done, but I have not the idea that how many bit will be shifted. But now
Okay,
I'm getting idea.
okay, so solve this problem and tell me the solution, what you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Komal has got the answer. Let me see what she has got. Komal has got 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 triple 1 0. Divyanshi has also got. Divyanshi has got 1 0 triple 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So Divyanshi and Komal are getting some different answers. Both are getting different views. So I think Divyanshi is correct. So let me check. Divyanshi, your answer is correct. Aishwarya also got. Aishwarya, Komal, I think you have done some mistake. Aishwarya is also getting the same answer. Aishwarya is also getting the same answer. Yeah, Aishwarya and Divyanshi is correct. Komal, check it.
सर वो लास्ट
हाँ,
तो वो
put in-
लास्ट में जीरो मिस्टेक हो गया Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. So this is Harshita is also getting the same. Harshita, Anisha is also got. So I think those who have tried, they will easily get, because the problem is not complicated. Already we have solved one complicated problem with 3 generator matrix. So this is of 2 generator matrix. So if you can see the previous year paper, one question is always there from this part. So that question will take 5 or 6 marks. Or so if they will not ask, I will definitely ask in the midterm, second midterm. So because these things are very, so this is the base of convolution code. So shall I go to the next part? So we have done with the time domain and transform domain. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at any time. So only you have to do Komal, as Komal Sharma has also got the same answer. So those who have tried, I am definitely pretty sure that they will get the same answer, because the process is same. Only we have to apply the basics what we have learned. So now I am going to the other part. So let's start. So we have done with the time domain and transfer domain. So now the next thing we are going to study in the convolution code is, so that is states, state table. So you might have heard about that. It is very interesting in state diagram. So this method we are going to study for the convolution code. So it is very interesting also. You can see, and we'll see in the further classes. So first of all, we have to find the number of states here. So in the state diagram, so number of state will be always, so it will be equal to n. N will be equal to 2 to the power L minus 1. So L is the constraint length which we have find, and you will always find the constraint length 3. So that will be 3 minus 1. So 2 to the power 2 will be equal to 4 states. So always there will be 4 states. So in your syllabus, you have to study about 3 constraint length with 4 states. So we have already seen for 4 states, we require 3 shift register. So we require 3 shift register. So that was M1. We have seen M1, M2, and M3. So 3 shift register we required here. So basically in this shift register, this is called input shift register. So by this we always give input, and this is the state representation. This is the state representation. State, we can tell it state represent. This is the input, this is the state represent. Always keep in mind. So input will be either 0 or it will be 1. So 2 type of input will be there. Since we are dealing with the binary part, so we can say that 2 inputs should be there. Either it will be 0 or 1. So let me make one more table. So if it is, so nothing, we have already seen that 3 constraint length are there. For 3 constraint length, I have substituted 3 here. So we will get 4 states. In 4 states, we can draw 3 shift register. So already we have seen in the last sessions. So I have drawn 3 shift register here. So this first shift register will be known as input. This M2 and M3 will be known as state representation. And this input should be either 0 or 1. So since we are dealing with a binary number, so it can be 0 or it can be 1. So now we will see how to draw the 4 different state. So this is very important. So I'll show you how to draw. So see, first 4 combination will be there. So we have already seen. So in the first state, if you can find here, so what I can draw, what I can write here. So either it will be 0, either both will be 0 in the first state. So the input should be 0. first time, so I'm drawing here M1. So let's suppose this is M1, M2, M3. So this is the input part. M2, M3 is the state representation part. So either it will be 0 and first state will be 0, 0. So now this 0 will come here. This will be getting shifted. This will get outside and this will get shifted here. So what I can write here, the first state will be 0, 0. This is the first state. First state. So don't get confused. थोड़ा सा वो रखिए, धैर्य रखिए, अभी आपको सब समझ में आएगा. This is the first state. I am calling it as by A. Now what I am telling. So now in the second stage, this input will change. So either it will become 1. So if it will become 1, so what we'll write here? So for the same 0, 0, so this will come inside, this will shifted here, this will go outside. So what I will get here? 1, 0. So I'm calling it as second state and I'm telling it as by B. So this is B. So now in the third state, this 1, 0 is coming here. This 1, 0. This is coming here. This is 1, this is 0. So input will be 1, 0 in the first case. So this will be getting shifted here. This will be here. This will be getting outside. So what I'll write here? 0 and 1. So this is third state. I'm representing it by C. So now in the fourth also 1, 0, the input will change to 1. So this will get inside, this will here, this will get outside. So what will you get here? 1, 1. So what is that? Fourth state. Fourth state. I'm calling it as D. So now somebody will ask you why you have not put it 0, 1. So when you will put here 0, 1, this side 0, 1. So when you will put 0, 1 and when you will substitute, put input here 0. So what it will become? 0, 0. So 0, 0 is already there. You can see here. So if I put here 0, 0, 1, this 0, 1 if I put here और यहाँ पे मैं input 0 लगाऊंगा तो ये यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, ये बाहर जाएगा तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? 0, 0 which is already there. If I put here, so somebody will ask why you have not put it 1, 1 here. So if I put 1, 1 here, if input will be 0, so this what will you get here? I'll get 0, 1. 0, 1 is already there. So this, what are you getting is this is the four state which we needed to learn. हमको याद नहीं करना है, बस समझना है. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि आपने 1, 1 क्यों नहीं यहाँ पे डाला, तो अगर हम 1, 1 यहाँ डालेंगे और अगर इनपुट 0 रहेगा तो क्या बन जाएगा हमारा? 0, 1. इनपुट 1 रहेगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? 1, 1 जो कि पहले से है, पहले से हमको यहाँ मिला हुआ है. अगर हम यहाँ, अगर आपसे कोई बोले कि आपने 0, 1 क्यों नहीं डाला, तो अगर हम यहाँ 0, 1 डालेंगे, इनपुट अगर मान लीजिए 1 डाल दिया तो 0, 1 है, इनपुट 1 डाल दिया तो ये बाहर हो गया, ये इस साइड आ गया, ये इस साइड आ गया, तो क्या मिला हमको? 1, 0. 1, 0 is already there. So this 4 combination will be there and this is the fourth state which we are getting. इसमें कोई दिक्कत है तो बताइए कैसे लिखा मैंने. कोई भी अगर आपको अभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो मैं फिर से बता दूंगा. ये अगर समझ में आ जाएगा तो हम प्रॉब्लम आराम से डील कर लेंगे. So if anybody has doubt in this how I have written, so if no doubt we will solve one problem. So जब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे तो चीजें ज्यादा क्लियर रहेंगी अपनी. So suppose the problem is like this. Consider convolution encoder with constraint length three and message sequence. This is very interesting problem. You can see how it is. Message sequence G1 is 1, 1, 1 and G2 is 1, 0, 1. So the question is find the code word using state diagram and tree diagram. So this we will see in the next class. First we will see the state diagram here. So let's move how to deal with this. So see, consider a convolution encoder with constraint length 3 and message sequence G1 is 1, 1, 1, G2 is 1, 0, 1. Find the code word using state diagram. So state diagram is very simple, very interesting. So what I will write here. So first of all, I'll draw the diagram, I will draw the chart for you. So I'll write here input. Then I will write here current state. जैसा मैं प्रोसीड कर रहा हूँ आपको वैसे ही करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. Then I'll write here next stage. Then I'll write here code word. कोडवर्ड में क्या हो जाएगा, जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स G1 दिया हुआ था 1 1 1, तो C1 इक्वल टू M1 XOR M2 XOR M3 और C2 क्या हो जाएगा, M2 XOR M3 कोडवर्ड में, जो हमको जानते हैं कैसे लिखते हैं। फिर आप देखो यहाँ पे इनपुट होगा जिसको मैं M1 से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, इसको मैं कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, M1 से। करंट स्टेट क्या होगा अपना, M2 M3। अगर ये डायग्राम बना रहे थे हम लोग, यहाँ पे M1 था, ये M2 था, ये M2 M3 था, तो यही तो हमारा करंट स्टेट था, M2 M3। फिर इनपुट था हमारा M1, इनपुट हमारा M1 था, ये इसके अंदर जा रहा था। फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेज भी क्या हो रहा था, M2 M3। अगर ये क्लियर है तो अब चीजें देखिए कैसे सिंपल हो जाएंगी। करंट स्टेज में क्या लिखेंगे, M2 M3, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में भी M2 M3, और ये हमारा कोडवर्ड है। इसमें कोई दिक्कत है, यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत है अभी बताइए, बस ये अगर यहाँ तक दिक्कत नहीं है तो फिर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। ये कैसे लिखा है किस, हाँ बताइए।
Sir, how you next state?
नेक्स्ट सी व्हाट द इनपुट व्हाट वी हैव गिवन, सब अगर जैसे 0 था, ये 0 0 था, 0 0, तो ये हमारा इनपुट था, उसको मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, M1। ये क्या था, M2। ये क्या था, M3। तो इनपुट को मैंने M1 बोल दिया। फिर जब करंट स्टेज ये था, इसके अंदर 0 गया, ये इधर शिफ्ट हुआ, ये बाहर चला गया, तो यहाँ पर भी 0 0 ही आ रहा है, मतलब ये तो सेम ही रहेगा ना, M2 M3। नेक्स्ट स्टेज में भी तो 0 0 ही आ रहा है, मतलब अगर ये हमारा इनपुट हो गया, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में जो हमारा आउटपुट आ रहा है, तो ये M2 M3 यही तो हुआ, सेम तो हुआ। मतलब एक बार और आप देखिए, मान लीजिए 1 है यहाँ पे, ये 0 0, ये 0 0, फिर इसके अंदर इसको ये हमारा इनपुट था, तो हमारा इनपुट तो सेम रह रहा है। करंट जो हमारा करंट स्टेट है M2 M3, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में भी M2 M3, तो यही M2 M3 तो रह रहा है। मतलब हमको नेक्स्ट स्टेज में क्या लिखना है, M2 M3 लिखना है ना, M1 ही हमारा केवल इनपुट है। अगला स्टेज क्या होगा, करंट स्टेज M2 M3, नेक्स्ट स्टेज भी M2 M3 होगा, क्योंकि इसमें ही चेंज हो रहा है नेक्स्ट स्टेज में, इसी दोनों की वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है।
Sir, in the second example, you have written that 1 0 0. In it, M3 will be go outside and the next state will be M1 M2, no?
नहीं नहीं, कौन सा सेकंड एग्जांपल ऐश्वर्या?
Sir, you have written erase it.
सो नहीं, आप समझ नहीं रहे हो। देखो जो मैंने समझाया था, जैसे मान लो ये M1 है, ये M2 है, ये M3 है, यही था ना अपना। तो मैंने क्या बोला था, इसको इनपुट बोला था, इसको क्या बोला था, स्टेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन बोला था, यही बोला था ना मैंने। फिर
Yes,
जब
sir.
डायग्राम बनाया था तो ये 0 था, ये 0 0 था, तो करंट स्टेज यही था, यही था। नेक्स्ट स्टेज में भी इसी में तो चेंज हो रहा है, इनपुट तो अपना सेम रहेगा ना, इनपुट इधर 0 और 1 हो रहा है 2 बार। करंट स्टेज और नेक्स्ट स्टेज
Okay.
भी तो चेंज हो रहा है ना, समझ रहे हो आप क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I am getting.
हाँ, सो सी सपोज अभी मैं फिगर बनाऊंगा आपको और डायग्राम लिखूंगा और क्लियर हो जाएगा। अभी इसको जब मैं कंप्लीट करूंगा तो देखिए इधर करंट स्टेज में इनपुट क्या होगा, 0, इनपुट आइदर विल गिव 0 0। नेक्स्ट स्टेज में हमको क्या मिल रहा है, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, अगर आप वो फिगर देखोगे तो सबसे पहले क्या मिला था हमको, 0 0 नेक्स्ट स्टेज करंट स्टेज में, और उसके बाद से जब वो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में शिफ्ट हुआ था तो क्या मिला था हमको, 0 0। नाउ द इनपुट इज 1, in the current stage what you are getting, 0 0। now this 1 will come here, so this will be here, this will go here, what you will get here, 0। so this is what your next stage। अभी समझ में आया? देखिए अब करंट स्टेज में 0 0 को बस 0 को शिफ्ट करा दीजिए, ये 0 यहाँ गया तो सेम बचा, फिर ये 0 बाहर चला गया तो एक 0 यहाँ पे, ऐसे ही ये 1 आया, ये 1 यहाँ पे अंदर आ गया, यहाँ पे 1 कर दिया मैंने, फिर ये 0 बाहर चला गया, इसकी जगह ये 0 आ गया, तो ये 0 यहाँ डाल दिया, तो क्या मिल गया, 1 0। so what we will call this is a stage number 1 we have defined there। मैं यहाँ पे बगल में बना के एक बार बता देता हूँ, हम लोगों ने क्या बनाया था, हम लोगों ने बनाया था 0 0, this is called our first stage, that is A, then we have drawn 1 0, this is second stage B, then we have drawn 0 0 1 which was our C, then we have drawn 1 1 which was our D, fourth stage। अब देखिए यहाँ पे ये 0 आया तो ये 0 0 हो गया, ये 1 आया तो 1 0 हो गया, तो ये क्या है, A है, ये 0 0 2, ये पूरा क्या हो गया, A पार्ट हो गया, A पार्ट। ये क्या हो गया, ए हो गया, और ये क्या हो गया, बी हो गया. Now it is clear. So now in the second step, what we are going to do. So now, is it clear? Now you are getting it. How I have written A and B, just A and B.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फिर सेकंड स्टेज में फिर क्या होगा, इनपुट हमारा इधर 0 होगा और 1 होगा सेकंड स्टेज में. फिर हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेज क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से, फिर ये हमारा ये क्या है, 1 0 है. सो इफ यू विल पुट हियर 1 0 1 0, so this 0 will come here, so what you will get here, 0 1. so 0 1 में क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे हम लोग, C. अगेन यहाँ पे अगर आप 1 0 पुट करोगे 1 0, सो यहाँ पे वो आएगा, ये क्या बन जाएगा, यहाँ पे आते आते ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 1. so what is that, D. this is your D. I have written your D. now in the third part input will be 0 1, और थर्ड स्टेज क्या था अपना 0 1. ये 0 1, इसको यहाँ लिख दिया मैंने 0 1 0 1. तो ये 0 इसके अंदर क्या, तो ये क्या बन गया 0 0. what is this, A. then this 0 1, this will come here, this will be your 1 0. ये 1 बाहर चला जाएगा, what it will be 1 0. so what is this, this is your B. so is this clear how I have done. so last thing is there. so एक बार और मैं बता देता हूँ आपको, ताकि आपको डाउट नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है ये. मान लीजिए ये इनपुट है, मान लेते हैं ये हमारा करंट स्टेट था, ये हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेज था, और ये हमारा कोड वर्ड था. तो अब देखिए सबसे पहले क्या करना है अपने को, एक वो जो ये 0 0 क्या था, A 1 0 सेकंड स्टेज, 0 1 थर्ड स्टेट, 1 1 फोर्थ स्टेट, ये हमको पता है पहले से. अब हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेज में इनपुट अगर 0 होगा तो ये इस चीज को यहाँ पे डाल देंगे, यहाँ पे 0 0. तो ये इसके अंदर शिफ्टिंग होगा तो क्या बन जाएगा, ये 0 0, विच वॉज आवर A. so I can write here A. now in the second stage input will change to 1. so this 0 0, so it will change to 1 0. so 1 0 will be your B. now in the third stage the input will be either 0, either it will be 1. so when it will be, so what I'll write here 1 0 1 0. तो जो जब इसके अंदर 0 जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा, ये 0 1, which is your C. ये फर्स्ट हो गया, which is your C. इसके अंदर ये जाएगा तो ये बाहर हो जाएगा, तो ये क्या बन गया 1 1, so which is your D. now in third 0 1. अब इसके जगह क्या लिख देंगे हम लोग 0 1 0 1. तो इसके अंदर 0 गया तो क्या बना 0 0 0, which is your A. इसके अंदर 1 गया तो क्या बना ये 1 0, which is your B. in the fourth 0 1, so what is there 1 1 is there, 1 1 1 1. तो ये आपका क्या है D है, ये आपका C है, ये आपका B है, ये आपका A है. इसके अंदर अगर 0 गया तो क्या बना ये 0 1, ये क्या है आपका C है, और इसके अंदर फिर 1 गया तो क्या बना 1 1, ये क्या बना आपका D. this is your C and D. so is this clear how I have drawn this. any doubt, अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप फिर से एक बार अपने खुद से बनाओ, फिर पूछो मेरे से. फिर लास्ट में आपको क्या लिखना है, कोडवर्ड के लिए आप हमेशा करंट इनपुट स्टेज और करंट स्टेज को लेते हुए आप वहां पे कोडवर्ड को भरेंगे, नेक्स्ट स्टेज को नहीं लेंगे. कोडवर्ड का फॉर्मूला C1 क्या था, M1 XOR M2 XOR M3. तो हमेशा इनपुट और करंट स्टेज ही रहेंगे M1 M2 M3 में. वैसे C2 का क्या था, M2 XOR M3. तो वे हमेशा क्या करेंगे, यहीं से लेंगे, ये M1 ये M2 ये M3. तो इसको लेके आप ये पूरा टेबल भरना, कंप्लीट करना. नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि इसके आगे मैं स्टेट डायग्राम बताऊंगा. तो अभी अगर इसमें डाउट रहेगा तो फिर स्टेट डायग्राम समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो फिर आप इस टेबल को पहले कंप्लीट करना, जो मैंने टेबल बनाया था, इनपुट करंट स्टेज नेक्स्ट स्टेज फॉरवर्ड. फिर हम लोग स्टेट डायग्राम बनाएंगे. उसके बाद से एक और टॉपिक बचेगा, आपका कन्वल्यूशन कोड खत्म हो जाएगा. तो यू हैव वन टास्क, प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस टेबल. if you will not complete it by your own, you will find it very difficult. or if you will complete it, this is the simplest thing we are dealing with. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस we will apply our brain what we have learned. This is all for today. So in the next session we will complete this table and we will make state diagram. Then we will see the tree diagram. After this we have one decoding algorithm for the convolution code, that is Whatever. And then we will complete it. So in this week I will complete the convolution code. So you have one task to do, complete this table and complete this code word also. So after that, we will draw the state diagram based on this table only. So this is all from today. So we'll meet on Thursday. So our next schedule will be on Thursday. So if any doubt, you can ask me at any time. So thank you everyone for today's session. We will meet on Thursday. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Komal, Naman. Thank you. Thank you, Avichal. Shreya, thank you.